So now we're going to make rice and chickpea fingers. We just need to preheat the oven to 180 degrees. For this recipe, you need add about a tablespoon of olive oil. So you cook that down so all those flavours start mixing together. While we're waiting for that to cook, it's best to mash your chickpeas. We also need to give the potatoes a mash. Now we're going to add the potato and chickpeas and also add the rice. And we're going to then add the frozen spinach, but you do need to give it a bit of a squeeze when it comes out of the box. I've just got a handful of fresh chopped coriander that I'm just going to put in as well. Placing our mixture into our baking tray. This will go in our oven, 180 degrees. Now we're just going to bake this in the oven for about 20 minutes or until golden brown. There you have it, rice and chickpea fingers that are using ingredients that are cheap and easy to store.